Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to show weather in Microsoft Outlook apps on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course you just have to open your Outlook apps. I'm gonna tap on it. Now in this home page, go to your icon account at the top left in the corner of your phone. And after, go to your icon, which is the settings. In the settings page, you just have to scroll it down again until we'll find here the calendar options. Just go ahead and we'll see in this calendar page, we'll see the weather options. Now go ahead to this weather. To see the weather of your calendar, you just have to swipe to the right toggle beside the weather options. Yeah guys, I'm gonna tap on it, I'm gonna swipe it, and in this pop-up, just choose the access. Yeah guys, I'm gonna pick the first one, which is while using the app. And for the units, you also here you can choose for the Celsius or the Fahrenheit. Here I'm gonna still use the first one, which is Celsius. So yeah, I think it's enough from me guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.